Hey guys, welcome to Amazingly Enough. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. So today's video is basically about the IELTS preparation, whether you're giving your IELTS academic or you're giving your IELTS general. So recently, we all gave our IELTS general since we'll be applying for PR in a few months or so. The reason for me to make this video is because I came across a platform called eBritish IELTS, who are the sponsors for this video today. The reason I'm promoting these guys is because it is the only platform that I saw in India which provides accessibility in terms of remote learning. So whatever your doubts are about IELTS, if you want to go for IELTS coaching, since we are in pandemic, everybody wants to stay home, right? So eBritish IELTS is a platform where a person can access and improve their IELTS coaching and stuff while they're sitting at their home. So this is the basic reason we went with the promotion. And the second important thing about eBritish IELTS is that they give you a platform where you can practice 4 modules, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking, all by sitting at your home. And these tests are of variety. There is a difficulty level of each test as you go by, and there are real teachers who are actually examining your results, your answers, whatever you fill in, and accordingly they give you a grade. One more reason why I would prefer eBritish IELTS for students who are actually considering IELTS coaching, because I don't want to keep you guys in a blur, but we have been speaking since the day we started this channel that IELTS coaching is not required and stuff. You can do it online, but that is specifically for people who have a good command over the language. There are also students who don't have good command over English and they really want to go for coaching. I know a few of my friends went for coaching before coming to Canada, which is a good thing. If you think that you want to improve your English, you want to get a good hold, that is actually good. So that is why we are promoting eBritish IELTS. So today we'll be going through each and every section of British IELTS. I have divided this video in a few segments. So I'll be teaching you how to use it, what are the benefits, what are the perks, what are the good things about IELTS. So without any further ado, let's get right into this. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the eBritish IELTS portal. One thing that I forgot to tell you guys about eBritish IELTS is that before you jump into selecting a course, these guys will provide you a free assistance test. So what a free assistance test is, so without any preparation, you'll go to their portal, you'll give a test, okay, based on all 4 sections: reading, writing, listening and speaking. And once you submit all the tests, they will be grading you and they will be suggesting you that what is your level of proficiency in English, and accordingly they'll tell you, okay, you know this much English, so it's better you take this package. Oh, you don't know English at all, so it's better you take the basic package. So this way you are not spending money on unnecessary things. Most of the time what happens is a person goes for an IELTS coaching and they will start from basic, right? So a person gets bored and they'll just quit. That is what a lot of people do, because they think they know everything. So because of this free assistance test, you will actually be able to gauge your proficiency in this language, and accordingly you'll be only studying what you need to study, not something that you already know. Okay, so that is one good thing. Okay, so if we go through the eBritish IELTS dashboard, you can see they are training you on 4 modules of IELTS, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking. I think I've said it more than 100 times, right? Anyways, the first step that they want you to do is they want you to watch an introductory video which is called orientation. So if you go to their menu and you click on orientation video, Now here, they will be showing you how to attend your IELTS exam. So these are like a prerequisite. Like you should know what are the sections of reading, what are the sections of writing, what are the sections of listening. How is your speaking test? You have two tasks in your speaking test. So all of the introductory things about IELTS exam, that is what they are teaching you over here. So once this is done, let's jump to the reading test. Now, once you click on the reading test, you can see that you can start a test. You can start a test that you have already given, or you can just select a new one. So once you are set, just click on start test. Now you can see you will get a window like this where the passage will be on the left side and the questions will be on the right. So after finishing all the questions, you can click on end test button and you will get your results. That's how easy it is. That is how easy it is to navigate through these processes. You simply choose an exam that you want to appear in, give it your best shot, submit it, and you'll get the results. Now, second thing, if you go to the writing test, the best thing about writing test is that they let you decide whether you want to go for a computer aided test or you want to go for a paper test. Now this is amazing. Why? Because some people are not comfortable typing on the computers, and this is actually the criteria of eBritish as well. That they want to give you exactly how your exam should be, because you can either choose your exam to be computer based or paper based. So so for now I'm just going with computer aided. So as you can see, you will get the questions on your right and your answers on the left. So once you're done answering all the questions, you submit it and you will get your results. Now, talking about the paper-based, what paper-based is actually doing is it allows you to write on a blank page, and then you can upload these pictures which you click from your phone or your camera, and you can download these pictures, and then you can download an app which is eBritish IELTS app. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. It's on both platforms. Upload all your papers on the app. You can do it one at a time or all at once. Once you're done, you can go to writing test and click send to review. So these pictures that you clicked, these will be sent to eBritish IELTS professors or teachers or coaches specifically, and they will review your writing task. And once the task is reviewed, you will be getting your answers checked by the teachers, by people who know how to do this, and you will be getting your band score. That is how easy it is. So same is the case with listening. Now if you go to listening test, you click on the test that you wish to appear in, click the start test button. Now audio clip will be on the top of the screen, questions will be on the left, and the answers will be on the right. Once you have listened to the recording, you answer all the questions on the right, end test, and submit. That's it. Yeah, that's how easy it is. The best part about this test is I like the speaking module. Why? Because usually what happens is, recently when I went to give my IELTS test, my IELTS speaking was at 2 o'clock, okay? And then my reading, writing, and listening was at 6. So from speaking, which was only for a matter of 15 minutes, I had to wait because I want to give my test. I can't go back home and come back. So this is the best thing about eBritish IELTS. What you can do is you can do your speaking online. So to do this, click on the speaking task, select the date according to your availability, and click submit. So they are giving you flexibility to choose your date and time in order to give the speaking test. So once that is done, a video call session will be established. You will get a notification in your dashboard which says that your session timing is this, it will start at this time. Once the time comes, go to the link. It will be a one-on-one on the Zoom or whatever video conferencing software they're using. I'm not sure about it. It doesn't really matter. So once that is done, you will be giving your speaking while you're sitting at your home with the coach on the other side. Once that is done, they will be evaluating your speaking, and they will be giving you bands, and that's it. You're done. Now, There are a few other features to eBritish IELTS, like you'll have live classes. These must be falling in a different package or something. You'll have to know that you will have live classes given by experienced coaches about various tasks. They'll teach you how to write, how to read, what all parameters are being checked while you are giving your writing, whether it's vocabulary, whether it's grammar, comprehension, whatever it is. And the second thing, the second important feature about eBritish IELTS is you can also have live one-on-one sessions. So, for example, you're stuck somewhere, you're not able to curb up with a particular thing, you're not able to make your grammar better or your vocabulary better, you can always have one-on-one live sessions with the coaches where you can actually talk to them, tell them, instead of being in a class where you're shy to tell that I don't get it. It's better, and it's a good platform where you will only have your coach on the screen and you can tell them, I am not able to get through grammar. I'm not able to learn new words. What should I do? They will give you advices. They will give you some things that you can do in order to improve that. So, again, this is not important. I'm not saying that IELTS coaching is a mandatory for everybody coming to Canada. I didn't go for IELTS coaching. I studied everything online. But the reason we are promoting this is for the students who are not good at English. And there is nothing to be, nothing to feel bad about it. It is just how it is. If you're planning to come to Canada, have a good hold on your language. And if you don't have this, go to platform like eBritish IELTS and get yourself all the courses that they think is good for you. Once you come to Canada, if your language is good, it won't be a barrier. So you can talk, you can make conversations with people. If you're not good at English, you won't be able to make conversations, because when you come to a different country, it's not only about English, it's about the dialect, it's about the rate of speech. So all of these things, eBritish IELTS is taking care for you. So I don't know if you are somebody who needs IELTS coaching, or they are planning to go for some IELTS coaching center, I would suggest, rather than stepping out of your house, which is first unsafe, and the second thing, they won't give you variety like this. Like, you can simply choose the course that you want, the kind of learning that you want. I would suggest for you people to give these guys a chance. Go to their website, check their links. If you want to contact them, if you have any questions, they will answer. So I would just say, go for it. And for all those who are actually appearing for IELTS, all the best from the team of Amazingly Enough. You guys can do it. Just make sure that you do it. Have that self-confidence in you. And if you guys have any questions regarding eBritish, you can drop them in the comments below, and we'll try our best to get back to you. Until then, you guys have a great day, and thank you for supporting us.